Within Google Sheets, Google Docs, and Google Slides, we can go back and see an old version of a document, a sheet, or a slide. So for example, let's say everything got deleted in your document and you're not able to hit the undo, you can't go back. Well, what you can do is you can hit File, Version History, see Version History. And all the different versions of this document will appear here. So if I go back to this version, I see all my content here that I've inserted. Additionally, you can go back to older versions as well if needed, or if you have an original, you can go back to an original document. Additionally, let's say nothing's here. This is the document that you're using is blank, or something got changed that you didn't want to get changed. You can go back to the previous version. So if I click here, click these three dots, and I can restore this version and hit restore. Now this is the document I am working with, is the previous document. Additionally, if you'd like, you can go to File, Version History, name current version, and you can name this version. So I want to do finalized document, hit save. So if you ever need to go back to File, Version History, see Version History, you can see that finalized document where it was at, and you can click on it.